Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining essentials so you can act immediately. Ensure Java 8 or newer is installed and JJS runs from your shell. Once done, place Yuji, jar where you can reference it and remember its full path. Now launch JJS with the class path flag. For example, JJSCP/path/to/Yuji. Jar. This tells the engine where to load Yuji classes. Do this first, so subsequent steps run without class loading errors, and you don't waste time troubleshooting environment issues. Once JJS is running with Yuji on the class path, load the Java classes directly. Use Java. Type com Yuji main to reference the main entry. Create an instance with new and assign it to a short variable name so calls are concise. Next, bind any frequently used helper functions or adapters to global variables. This simplifies subsequent calls from your script. Make sure to initialize configuration methods on the instance now, because later operations depend on those settings being set upfront. You finish by invoking Yuji's primary methods to run your intended flows. Call synchronous or asynchronous APIs as provided, for example, Y. Run task name, params. Once calls are in place, validate outputs and wrap risky calls in try/catch so you can log detailed exceptions and stack traces. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck the class path and Java versions and confirm constructor and method signatures match the jar you loaded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.